I tracked every minute of my workday for 1 week. The result was embarrassing. 3 hours and 20 minutes every day on tasks AI can now do in under 10 minutes. Email, research, writing first drafts, preparing for meetings. Today, the exact system I use to get those hours back. 6 tasks, 6 tools, no theory, just the workflow and how long each takes. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha. Let us get into it. Before the 6 tasks, why most people are not saving time with AI yet. They use it reactively. Something comes up, they open Claude, they ask a question, of course, better than nothing, but not a system. The people saving 2 to 3 hours a day have 5 or 6 tasks on a list. They run through that list every morning. Takes 30 minutes. Those 30 minutes replace 3 hours of scattered manual work. That is the system. Now the 6 tasks. Task 1, morning briefing. 5 minutes. Before you open your inbox or check social media, run your morning briefing. My setup. OpenClaw sends a Telegram message every morning at 7 a.m. 5 most important AI stories. One line hook for each. If you do not use OpenClaw, do this in Claude in 3 minutes. Search the web for the top 5 AI stories from the last 24 hours. Give me a one-line summary of each, why it matters. Time saved, 30 to 45 minutes of tab switching are gone. Task number 2, email triage. 10 minutes. McKinsey said knowledge workers spend 28% of their day on email. That is 2 hours of an 8-hour day every single day. My system, Claude with Gmail MCP connected. Scan my inbox from the last 24 hours. Categorize urgent, needs a reply, FIY, and ignore. For anything that needs a reply, draft 1. Send me a summary of what needs my attention. I review the drafts, approve or edit, and send. 10 minutes, what used to take 90. Task number 3, meeting prep. 5 minutes per meeting. Before any meeting, I send Claude the meeting with the name, the topic, and how many minutes. Here are my notes from the last time. Then I paste the notes. Prepare me. Key context, what I said, I would follow up on 3 things I want from this meeting and 1 question I should ask. 60 seconds of copy paste. Claude does the rest. I walk in every meeting prepared because of that. Every single time. Task number 4, research. 15 minutes instead of 2 hours. Perplexity for anything current. Ask it a question, it searches the web, reads sources, gives a cited answer. News, market research, competitor analysis, recent stats. 90 minutes of reading gone. Claude for documents, upload a 50-page report. Ask questions about it. 2 hours of reading done in 10 minutes of conversation with Claude. Task number 5, writing first drafts. 10 minutes instead of 60. I never start from a blank page. Every piece of writing starts with a Claude prompt. That gives me a complete first draft. I edit, I improve, I add my voice. But the blank page problem is gone. Prompt structure, just tell Claude, you are a role writing for this specific category, and this is the type of content and topic. Key points, then you give it your bullet points, and you tell it the tone, conversational, professional, or so on. You can also give it the length and word count if you want, and much more. Email from 20 minutes down to 2 minutes. Social post from 15 minutes to 2 minutes. Task 6, end of day review. 5 minutes at the end of every day, I dump into cloud what I finished, what is still open, what was harder than expected, and what tomorrow needs. 10. Based on this, what are my top 3 priorities for tomorrow? I start the next day already knowing what to do. No decision fatigue. No time spent figuring out where to start. The numbers: morning briefing 45 minutes down to 5 minutes, saving 40 minutes. Email triage 90 minutes down to 10 minutes, saving 80 minutes. Meeting preparation 30 minutes down to 5 minutes, saving 25 minutes. Research 120 minutes down to 20 minutes, saving 100 minutes. First drafts 120 minutes down to 20 minutes, saving 100 minutes. End of the day recap 15 minutes down to 5 minutes, saving 10 minutes. Total roughly 355 minutes saved. That's nearly 6 hours. Not everyone has all 6 in their day, but even 2 or 3 is 2 to 3 hours back. 6 tasks, 6 tools, morning briefing, email triage, meeting prep, research, first drafts, and end of the day review. Start with the one that wastes the most of your time. Build the habit, then add the next one. What tasks do you waste the most time on every day? And which of these 6 are you fixing first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more.